Hey, what's up, guys? We just got some new leaks regarding Galaxy S23, in which some are good and some are bad. The ever-growing drama regarding Samsung chip grows even more. Plus, we also have the biggest secret regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 4 potentially revealed. We will talk about everything, so let's get right into. Let's start with the good news. We have some new information on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which could actually power all the S23 models globally. According to Exynos, the initial testing of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is going very good, and in the initial testing, it beat all the Qualcomm chips, including the latest one, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. When it comes to the power efficiency, Qualcomm is savior that Samsung needs, and they definitely not playing games. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is expected to be bringing some huge CPU and GPU gains, possibly based on 3nm architecture. If Samsung decided to release the Exynos chip, the gap between Qualcomm and Exynos will grow even more. That might not happen, as South Korean media is reporting that Samsung is quitting Exynos for 2 years and bringing Galaxy chipset for 2025. That's actually going to be as good as Apple M series chip, but not so fast. Today we have got some quite concerning leaks coming to the scene. Despite working on this dream Galaxy chipset, Samsung is still working on Exynos, meaning it's not quite dead. They could still make a mid-range or even higher end Exynos chip. Yes, according to the Galaxy Club, the two model number are leaked, which are linked to Exynos 1300, which is going to be the mid-range chip, possibly for the next A series, and the second chip could be the Exynos 2300. Twitter leaker Ronald, with a good track record, mentions that there is an internal code name Quadra for the next high-end Exynos chip, and we don't know if they are really developing this for the S23 series or possibly for other brands like Vivo or Pixel 8 next year. Considering we already know that Samsung is working on this dream Galaxy chip for 2025, I really don't expect or want them to put the next chip on the S23. The best decision for the fans would be to quit the Exynos for now. Again, nothing is fully confirmed yet. Moving forward, we have got another leak regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is potentially revealed by Exynos. According to the Exynos, the crease is now slightly better than the Fold 3, but still not completely gone. I honestly expected them to completely get rid of the crease, but seems like it's still there. Let's not forget, both the Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4 will likely be the most durable foldables on the market that you can pick up with the official IP rating. Samsung is bringing more improvements to durability thanks to the latest Super Ultra Thin Glass technology. As far as the release, the Unpacked event is expected to be happening in the month of August. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about everything in the comment section below? The drama regarding the chips keep on unfolding, so make sure you subscribe to the channel for everything with the notification turned on. With that being said, I will see you guys later. Peace out.